Hey everybody, this is QP, and welcome back to Life After Hip Hop. In this episode, NY is going to be making DIY wood countertops.
Yeah, back to Life After Hip Hop. In this ep, about to make a wood countertop. You see the guy, DIY about to make it fly? Give it a try, $60 son, no lie. I started 2x6s, 8 feet each. Another 2x4 had me 22 deep. Measured the space, chopped saw, cut the length. Glued it, Kerg jig screwed it, clamped for strength. Then I let it dry, then I dry fit it. Ain't no lie, when I tried, I couldn't quite get it. But I sighed, retried, stayed committed. Made adjustments, trusted, I finally did it. Not bad, I was glad, hardly diminished. So I planed the surface, and I stained the finish. Well, hold up.
So babe, tell them what you're doing now.
We're just doing some hand planing right now. So we can have it nice and flat. Admittedly, this is the first time I'm working with a hand planer, but I can't put it through my machine planer because this is too big a piece of wood. And so I just gotta, I'm adjusting myself to learning how to deal with this particular tool. I just got finished watching a YouTube tutorial about how to use it. So, as with anything new in your life, it's a learning curve, but, like right now, I think I got it a little too, I gotta adjust it so it's not as, so it doesn't gouge. But it's, the edges that were protruding are no longer protruding. So once I sand these joints, this thing will be, like, this is sharp right here. This is almost perfect. People think do-it-yourself mean, like, maybe it's easy or cheap.
Do it yourself is more expensive sometimes than buying it in the store already done.
Or even having somebody do it. But the upside of doing it yourself is that if you can manifest the patience and the focus, it's going to come out tough, Jack. Like, if you could do it, you can achieve something that other people, like, you could maybe not afford to get done. Or you maybe couldn't afford to get
Custom countertops.
right. Like, that might be out of your price point right now, because the trades they'll price you out of it. Yeah. I mean, a good carpenter is a $20, $30 an hour cat.
Okay, 2 days of coat and then I swear I was open. It came out dope. Doper than the kid was hoping. Look here, I fit it all in, about a step from a win. 30 worth of wood, about to cash it all in. 8 worth of stain, I was using my brain. It's mixed with polyurethane to protect the grain. I had to cut out space so the sink would fit. I had to sand down the edges so it looked legit. I had to work on the kinks, I think this is it. It's just a little more before I'm through with this.
Awesome wood countertops that we've been working on for the past couple of days. We stained them, pretty much match all same with all these the other pieces. It looks really nice, and we just want to finish it off so that it endures. That's the thing. We don't want it to be, you did all this great job, you stained it, it looks like you want it to look, but the first time you use it, it doesn't hold up. So to that end, what we did is we got some How It Feed and Wax. So check that out. It's How It Feed and Wax. And we're going to use this to basically, it's a wood polish and conditioner. So we're going to put this on here, and hopefully this will add a little protection to the countertop. And in order to apply it, we're going to use this Minwax stain mitt. And I think this feed and wax cost about $9 at the local hardware store, and the stain mitt about $4 or $5. So, and just an FYI, we're not endorsed by any of these things. We're just sharing with you some of the stuff that we use so that, if you're trying to do something like this yourself, you see some of the products we use. If this comes out dope, then let me use that because it worked for him, so it may work for you. So we're going to get to it, because ain't nothing to it but to do it. Alright, so we finished applying it. We gotta let it sit for about 20 minutes. And they say come and wipe off the excess. 20 minutes have passed, a little bit more actually. And in some places you can actually notice it's starting to, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you'll be able to see where it isn't as shiny because it's kind of worked this, it's kind of, well, I dried this part off already, so I won't use this as an example, but in some places you can see where it kind of soaked its way in. So now we're going to just remove the excess and see what we come up with. Nice. Look at that. So what I love about it is that it still has the satiny finish. It got a little more sheen to it. You can almost feel like, it's like, when you put lotion on your hands and it just feels a little better. That's what we're looking at right now, It's not leaving a bunch of greasy residue. Kind of enriches the color overall of the countertops. I love it. I love it. All right, so here's the moment of truth because QP wanted it to have a certain look. Let's see what she thinks after seeing it done. All right, come on, pal. All right, you ready?
Hey, everybody. I'm the gardener today, I'm not the carpenter. Scratchy, professional. Professional, y'all.